So he fell down. He was turning him around and he went on the opposite direction and he fell down. And the bird was on top of him. And he fell on the thorn bush. So thorns must be pricking, just the condition. Before he could realize what happened, the big bird was upon him, standing in front of him. It can kill you if it starts hitting, pecking you. Or with a leg it can scratch you. Anything can happen. He thought that finished. Today I am dead, I am going to die today. Finished. He covered his face. What happens when someone wants to hit me? Cover, isn't it? When someone does anything, we do this, we try to save ourselves. That's impulse, that happens automatically. The senses in our body react to defend ourselves, to save. So generally we save our face first. So as the bird was there, he covered his face. Oh my God, do whatever you want, don't hit my face. But the ostrich did not attack, did not strike. Very clear and quite surprising. He moved his hands from his face, and there stood the creature with one foot raised, ready to deliver a deadly kick. I couldn't move. Was the bird going to play cat and mouse with me and prolong the agony? As I watched, frightened and fascinated, the ostrich turned his head sharply to the left. A second later, he jumped back, turned, and made off as fast as he could. Dazed, I wonder what had happened to make him beat so unexpected a retreat. I soon found out, to my great joy. I heard the bark of my truant dog. And the next moment he was jumping around me, licking my face and hands. Needless to say, I returned his caresses most affectionately. Dog is the man's best friend. It will never betray you, it's very faithful. So he covered his face and the ostrich did not attack him, and as the ostrich he removed his hand, he saw the ostrich with his leg up. He's going to give one kick or he's going to give one thing. Then he thought, is he going to play with cat and mouse with me? What does a cat do to a mouse or a rat? It does not kill it first. It hits it, chases it, bites it, again leaves it, again it will run, again it will hit. Torture him, play around and then eat or then kill. So he thought that is going to happen. He said, today I am finished. I have got no other options today. Grandfather was totally now calling God. And he was frightened and fascinated. What's going to happen? This prolonged agony. Prolong is extended. Long, prolong. He's going to make me suffer for a long time. This is not right. But as he thought it's going to happen, the ostrich turned its head sharply to the left. Suddenly, they look like that. Very concerned, other than to attack the grandpa. And he jumped back. The ostrich turned and made off as fast as he could. Ran. And the grandpa looked dazed, surprising, Hurry, what happened? He was about to attack me and he's gone. So I'm so lucky or what? How did this happen? Suddenly he backed off. What's the reason? And he soon found out, to his great joy. He heard the bark of his truant dog. Truant here means he was absent without informing. He went off to catch the hare. If the dog would have been there with him, the ostrich wouldn't have come close. Or he wouldn't have that circling around, merry-go-round action. And he wouldn't got scared and the leg wouldn't come up to attack him. And if the dog wouldn't have been there, today grandpa would have been in heaven or in hospital. And the dog came around barking, and the ostrich ran away. And the dog was licking the master's face. Dogs, when they are happy, they show their affection. That, see, I have chased it away. And he also loved him back, licking the face. Dogs lick your faces and all. Face and hand, the dog comes. The dogs love their master. If you treat a dog very well, the dog is going to love you. So animals, one is a dangerous animal and one is a domestic animal, or a tamed animal, a dog. The difference, wild is wild. You cannot tame the wild, but it will get scared. Animals get scared of fire. Animals get scared of other animals who are barking around them. They are not entangled with a dog always. They're inside the camp, but and the dog was barking, and barking means quite loudly, and that barking must have been, come on, get out from here, leave my master alone. That was the situation right there at that time. And the story ends there, that the grandfather got saved because of the dog. So dog is the man's best friend as far as I know, because I have 7 dogs at home. Back home I have 7 dogs, Alsatians and Labradors. I have a hound also. So this is what it is all about. You will do match the following. While working on the East African railways, the dog chased the ostrich. Grandpa had an encounter with an ostrich. The ostrich made a retreat. So Grandpa decided to do the journey on foot. Grandpa fell on the ground. While working on the East African railway, Grandpa had an encounter with an ostrich. The horse had a slight accident. Grandpa fell on the ground. So Grandpa decided to do journey on the foot. Up started a hare. The dog chased the ostrich. Now up started a hare the ostrich went into reverse. Grandpa fell on the ground. Fine. The dog arrived, the ostrich made a retreat. Up started a hare. Grandpa had an encounter with an ostrich. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 to the first one is, while working on the East African railways, Grandpa had an encounter with an ostrich. A. Number 2 is, the horse had a slight accident, so Grandpa decided to go on the journey on foot. That is D. Up started a hare. The dog chased the ostrich. Now up started a hare. Grandpa the ostrich went into reverse. Grandpa fell on the ground. The dog arrived. The ostrich made a retreat. Up started a hare. The dog chased the ostrich. Yes. 3 is A. 1 is B. 2 is D. 3 is A. 4 is E. And 5 is C. Okay. You will do the question answers. Why did Grandpa decide to go through the ostrich camp? Because it was a short way and he would save 9 kilometers. Okay, you will do these question answers yourself. Do the word meanings. You try to do it yourself. Okay, as much as you can do it yourself will be better. And I'll be posting some question answers for you also regarding this chapter. I'll try to solve some answers, and you just keep a lookout on the download note side. So we are done with this. In the next class we'll come to India and we are going to finish that. I hope I was able to understand, explain it to you. So now when you read, all your question answers will be there. The word meanings are here in the book. Try to write them down and learn them and understand what they are all about. Okay, and if you have any problems, I am always there. You can jot down a message on the group, or when the school opens, I am going to help you out. If you have any problems, I guess you won't have any problems. Everything is done. The meanings are also here. You will be able to understand the meanings I have given in another way, so that you will be able to understand. And these are also the same explanation which I give in the book is according to the words here. Okay. So see you. Take care of yourselves and be good, and do whatever you want after your studies. Okay, make sure you keep a note on that download notes part. Okay, and I'll try to post some answers for you which will help you out. Okay, thank you so much. You take care. God bless. Bye bye.